Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you about a complement of a set. What is the complement of a set? Okay, so A with some dash. This means those elements of the universal set which are not in set A. They can be in a universal set, but not in that set A. That is a complement. It is called the complement of a set A. So what is the complement of a set? Are the elements which are in the universal set but not in that specific set. For example, if you have a universal set, the universal set we have given is a positive integers which are less than 13. So 1 till 13 are the positive integers which are less than 13. The set A we have given as a factor of 12. So what are the factors of 12? Okay, they already wrote the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Then what is A complement? A complement are those elements which are in the universal set but not in the set A. Okay, so the positive integers 1 till 13 is 1 to 13, right? Okay, so we are not taking 1 because it is in set A. We are not taking 2, not 3, not 4. We can take 5 because it is in the universal set but not in the set A. Not 6. We can take 7, 8, 9 and 10 because it is not present over here. We can take 11 as well. And we have a set number 12 is already present. It should be less than 13, not equals to 13. If the integers are between 1 to 13, then you can add the number 13 as well. It is less than 13, means less than 13. The equality is not present. If it is equals to 13, the 13 is also in the complement. So I hope you understand what is a complement of a set. The complement of any set is basically the elements in a complement are basically those elements which are present in the universal set but not in the set in that specific set. Let's do an example. On a separate copies of diagram shade these sets. Okay, P complement, P intersection Q complement, P union Q complement. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram. They have given the universal set, the set P and the set Q. Okay, so how can we shade P complement? P complement are basically the elements which are present in the universal set, all the elements of the universal set but not in set P. So P means P is not shaded. I hope this makes sense. Let me repeat it one more time. So how can you shade the P complement? You have to shade the full universal set, the whole universal set, and you have to unshade the set P because P we are not taking the P, not the elements of P, but you can take all the other elements of the universal set. Let's move to the next one. P intersection Q. So there is P and Q and this would be the intersection. And when you take its complement, then not this one, the outer one is shaded. Right. Other than this intersection, the rest of the part is shaded. Other than this P, the rest of the part is shaded. This is the way to do the complement. Okay. Now P union Q. So this is a set P, this is a set Q, this is the union. So if you shade the union, then P and Q is shaded. When you shade the complement, then outer portion is only shaded other than the union. Okay. Now there is an exercise 2.4. For each of the question is 2.2. List the elements of these sets Q complement and P union Q complement. Exercise 2.2. Let me show you the exercise 2.2. So here is an exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 has 6 questions. I want you to please take a printout. Okay, I hope you have done the printout. Sorry, the screenshot I said, my bad. Okay, you took the screenshot, and now what you have to do in this exercise, you have to list the elements of what are Q complements and what is P union Q whole complement. Okay, now there is another exercise which is 2.5 which you have to practice as well. It has some questions 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 on the other page as well. First, I want you to please take a screenshot of the first 3 questions. Yes, here you can easily take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of these questions. Yeah, I hope you have done. Okay, let me move it further. Take the screenshot of the question number 4 and question 5. All right. So I hope you took the screenshot of exercise 2.2 for to have to do the exercise 2.4 and 2.5. So these two are the practice exercise, the practice questions to make more understanding about the complements of a set. So if you have any query or if you do not understand how to do that question, so feel free to ask me in a comment section. I will definitely help you out. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.